Meet the Georgetown data nerd and comic enthusiast turning data into campus impact. Imagine growing up surrounded by university halls, librarians, and a constant buzz of academic energy. That's the environment that shaped Trent Kennedy from day one. But this isn't just a story about someone who loves books and data. It's about a guy who combines superhero storytelling with big data analytics at one of the most renowned universities in the world, Georgetown. From his earliest memories, Trent's seen Georgetown through the eyes of a kid, with his father working as a librarian at Georgetown Law. Fast forward a few decades, after earning his law degree from the University of Minnesota, Trent's journey took him through the corridors of UC Davis and finally back home to Georgetown, where he now wears the hat of Senior Institutional Research Analyst. His job? Using data to answer the big questions about student satisfaction, predicting future success, and even helping the university improve its programs. We're measuring what truly matters, Trent explains, because when you understand the data, you understand the heartbeat of the campus. And it's not just numbers for numbers' sake, his insights shape real decisions that impact students and faculty alike. Beyond the spreadsheets, Trent's inner geek shines bright. A certified comic book nerd, he's deep into superhero tales and sci-fi stories, spending plenty of time browsing his favorite comic shop, Phantom Comics, and attending DC's own epic event, Awesome Con. His love for comics isn't just a hobby, it's a passion that fuels his imagination and even leads to some of the coolest stories. Like the time a CIA officer taught him spycraft through Dungeons and Dragons, an experience that sounds straight out of a movie. Trent's journey into higher education was fueled by a natural curiosity. Growing up, he saw firsthand the impact universities could have, how they open doors, transform lives, and sometimes complicate access. It was this backstage view that made him want to build a career around making education better. Starting in student affairs, he found his niche in institutional research, where he digs into data not only to understand campus life but to turn insights into real change. Data reveals the unseen patterns, the flows and practices that shape our university experience, he shares. His proudest achievement? Revamping the graduation survey post-pandemic, making it more focused and meaningful, so students can see how their education aligns with what the university values. And his love for storytelling doesn't stop there. He's drawn to high-concept sci-fi comics. Think Jonathan Hickman's Complex Worlds or Kieran Gillen's X-Men tales that explore what happens when a handful of people wield unimaginable power and the ripple effects on the world. Having a packed shelf of books at home, thanks to his librarian parents, he treasures stories that challenge ideas and spark the imagination. For Trent, it's all about finding beauty in patterns, whether in data or comics, and always asking how things can be improved, better understood, or just more exciting. His story isn't just about numbers, books, or cosplay, it's about blending passions, curiosity, and a commitment to making a difference, letting his inner hero shine through every spreadsheet and comic page.